Looking for the perfect pizza oven? Whether you're a pizza enthusiast or a home cook, having the right pizza oven can elevate your homemade pizzas to the next level. From wood-fired to gas-powered options, each pizza oven offers unique features, making them suitable for different needs and preferences. A quality pizza oven ensures even heat distribution, resulting in a crisp, perfectly cooked crust every time. Whether you're preparing a classic margarita or experimenting with creative toppings, the best pizza ovens allow you to create restaurant-quality pies at home. In this list, we highlight 6 of the best pizza ovens on the market, helping you find the one that suits your cooking style and needs. Number 1. Granitestone Pizza Oven. The Pizzano Crispy Crust Pizza Oven by Granitestone is the ultimate solution for making restaurant-quality pizza in the comfort of your own home. Designed to accommodate up to a 12-inch pizza, this electric countertop oven features a durable ceramic stone that heats up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature ensures a crispy, stone-baked crust every time. Ideal for families or anyone who loves homemade pizza, the Pizzano oven delivers quick, even cooking for your favorite pizza recipes. It's easy to use, with simple controls and a fast preheat time, so you can enjoy delicious pizza in just minutes. Compact and efficient, this pizza oven brings the pizzeria experience right to your kitchen. Number 2. Chefman Pizza Oven. The Chefman indoor pizza oven is a powerful countertop appliance that lets you enjoy delicious homemade pizza in just minutes. Designed to make 12-inch pizzas, it heats up to an impressive 800 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring crispy crusts and perfectly melted cheese. This pizza maker comes with 5 touchscreen presets for easy customization, giving you complete control over cooking. Included are a pizza stone and peel, making it even easier to slide your pizza in and out of the oven. Constructed with durable stainless steel, the Chefman Pizza Oven is built to last. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast or just want a quick, tasty meal, this oven offers convenience and performance in one stylish package. Number 3. WOOCIT Pizza Oven. The WOOCIT multi-fuel pizza oven is the perfect choice for pizza enthusiasts who love outdoor cooking. This 12-inch portable pizza oven is compatible with both wood and gas, giving you the flexibility to choose your preferred fuel source. It reaches temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your pizza cooks to perfection with a crispy, golden crust. The included thermometer helps you monitor the oven's temperature, while the pizza stone ensures even heat distribution for a better cook. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's durable and resistant to the elements, making it ideal for backyard parties or camping adventures. With a gas hose included, you'll be ready to enjoy delicious pizzas wherever you go. Number 4. Solo Stove Pizza Oven. The Solo Stove Pi Prime Pizza Oven is a top-tier outdoor gas pizza oven designed for those who love the art of pizza making. This portable oven runs on propane and reaches high temperatures, ensuring your pizzas are cooked to perfection with a crispy crust every time. The demi-dome design provides optimal heat circulation, while the wide-mouthed opening allows for easy access and even cooking. The cordierite stone cooking surface guarantees excellent heat retention and an evenly baked pizza. Made from durable stainless steel, this oven is built to withstand the elements, making it perfect for outdoor cooking in your backyard or while camping. A must-have for pizza lovers who want a premium outdoor cooking experience. Number 5. aidpiza Pizza Oven. The aidpiza Pizza Oven Outdoor 12-inch wood fired pizza oven is a perfect addition to your backyard cooking setup. Made of durable stainless steel, this portable pizza oven is designed for outdoor use, providing a fun and efficient way to cook delicious pizzas. The pellet-fueled system ensures high heat, reaching temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering a crispy, pizzeria-style crust every time. Its compact size makes it easy to transport, whether you're camping, tailgating, or hosting a backyard party. The oven also features a convenient opening for easy access, allowing you to quickly monitor your pizza as it cooks. Ideal for pizza enthusiasts, this oven offers a fun, quick, and delicious way to enjoy homemade pizza. Number 6. Ninja Pizza Oven. The Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven is an 8-in-1 versatile portable cooking solution designed for pizza enthusiasts and outdoor cooking lovers. This oven can heat up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering perfectly cooked pizzas with a crispy crust every time. Featuring 5 artisan pizza settings, it ensures that your pizza is made just the way you like it, from classic to wood-fired flavor. The integrated BBQ smoker box adds an extra smoky dimension to your cooking, perfect for grilling or smoking meat and vegetables. Included flavored wood pellets enhance the authentic wood-fired taste. With its compact design, this oven is ideal for outdoor adventures, camping, or backyard gatherings. Enjoy a professional pizza experience at home.